Hi, I'm Ruth Ann Osborne with Remax Care Realty, and today I'm in Kingsville to tell you all about this beautiful town. Now, if you like this video, please click like below because that definitely helps. And if you have any questions about real estate in the Kingsville area or anywhere in Windsor and Essex County, you can always message me through my social media and I will get back to you. Kingsville is beautiful. Kingsville is right on Lake Erie, and I'm going to tell you some really great things about living and working in Kingsville. So, Kingsville, first of all, is on Lake Erie. So Lake Erie runs all around the side of Kingsville, and there are actually 3 beaches. So there's Cedar Beach, there's Cedar Island Beach, and then there's the Meadows Beach as well. So if you're looking for sand, Kingsville definitely has it for you, as well as a lot of playgrounds for kids. This place is just filled with community. So we have tons of community centers in Kingsville as well. One of them is the Kingsville Community Center that runs programs for all age groups. They do Alzheimer's groups, counseling groups, etc. There is also the Agriculture Community Center, that's a mouthful, where you can learn about different cultures and a lot of history, as well as many other programs that are run there as well. And then there's one more, it's called Grovedale, that's it. There's Grovedale as well, and they run a lot of programs. So coming out to Kingsville, your family is still gonna have a lot to get involved in. There's also the arena, and at the arena, there's a community center that does different programs as well. And definitely ice skating. We have many, many parks in the area. But one of the greatest things that attracts people to this town is that it is the most southern town in all of Canada. So, are you ready for this? This is actually something I hear all the time from people. They come down here, Snowbirds, they like to come down here and they stay at one of our many beautiful mobile home parks that we have. We've got seasonal, we have year-round parks because the weather is so great. And they're checking out the place because they're thinking, you know, I love the weather down here. I'm not ready to sell my house where I live, but when I do, I'm pretty sure I'm moving to Kingsville. And so they're trying it out for a couple of seasons. So on average, 223 days out of the year, we're running around 50 degrees Fahrenheit or 30 degrees Celsius. And I believe that's pretty comparable to Northern California. So, I mean, you can move to Kingsville and be in Canada and just pretend you live in California because the weather is so great here. Kingsville really does have a lot to offer. The other thing is tourism. If you love checking out birds and drinking wine, Kingsville is also the place for you. So every year, there are thousands of people who flock here, haha, get it? Flock here to see all the different birds that we have. Because our weather is just so mild down here, we get very rare birds. And every couple of years, there's an article in the paper about some rare bird, and people are coming here and you can see them, it's somewhere up on a pole and they're all standing there and the news is out there and they're all talking about this rare bird because we get them down here. Another place to check out is Jack Miner's Bird Sanctuary and Pelee Island. So from Kingsville, we have a port here and it takes you over to Pelee Island. You get a beautiful ride on the G-Mon or the Pelee Islander. And you can get off on the island. You can check out the winery that's there. You can go swimming there. There's some restaurants there. It's a beautiful day. You can do amazing bird watching. But from there, you can also go over to Sandusky, Ohio. So this is an international port that's very active as well. So for our American friends, it is great to come over to Kingsville and also to Pelee Island. Just a fantastic area to be at. This is also a strip of wineries. So we have 4 of the best wineries in all of Canada. Isn't that amazing? Right here in Kingsville, 4 of them. One of them is the Pelee Island Winery. So we have so many bed and breakfasts down here. Now in this area, if you're an investor, I want to specifically talk to investors right now. Great place for families to live. But if you're an investor, this area in Kingsville is one of the only areas down here that will allow bed and breakfasts and short-term rentals and Airbnbs. They're still allowing that. So if you see a little property, couple of beds and bathroom, what a fantastic investment that is. People are always flocking down here to visit the area, see the birds, go out to Pelee Island, as well as do many, many other things. We've got lots of trails, lakefront trails, etc. This is a great place to invest in for short-term investments and Airbnbs. So I can't say enough about Kingsville. It is definitely a fantastic place to live. Again, I'm a real estate agent, so I want to tell you a little bit about the market out here, okay? If you're looking to buy a townhouse or a kind of semi-home, you're probably looking in the area to purchase one of those at around $550 currently in our market. Now, if you're looking to buy a 70s kind of bi-level home, you're going to probably be somewhere around the 580 mark. So a little bit more than the semis and the townhomes. And if you're looking for a home built probably in the 2000s, you know, from 99 to 2010, somewhere in there, you are going to be able to find a beautiful all brick raised ranch for somewhere in the neighborhood of the 660 mark. So again, Kingsville, gorgeous place to live, safe place to live. You're about 40-minute drive from Kingsville into Windsor. And don't forget, once you hit Windsor, you can go straight over that bridge and into Detroit. There's actually quite a few nurses and doctors who live in Kingsville, and they commute over the border to work at the hospitals in Detroit. So 40 minutes in the grand scheme of things, think about your commute if you live in the GTA. Kingsville's a great place to be a little bit out of the city and have so much to offer your family in a way of just culture, fun, sun, and great weather. For more information on Kingsville, if you're looking to find out a little bit more about specific areas and pricing on houses, please give me Ruthann Osborne a call. I'd be happy to answer any questions that you have. Or if you're interested in anywhere else in Windsor and Essex County, you can always contact me as well. My number is 226-783-3711. You can also like my page, send me a message through my social media on my Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, or on YouTube, and I will get back to you.